Hey everybody, wanted to show you how to replace the lever arm on your Toro Timemaster. Now this is a model number 2200. Serial number is there. Got it up on the jack right now because that's what I've got. If you got a stick or a piece of wood, you can throw that underneath there. This is where it broke, and without that in place, the entire deck drops down and scalps the yard. So you're gonna take your 9/16, take the wheel off, and then we're gonna get this bolt right here. This bolt is a 1/2-inch bolt. Part comes right off. Got a replacement part here. Just gonna give it a quick visual. Make sure that is what we want, and it is. All right, we got the part on, just make sure that it works. Nice. Okay. And we'll throw the wheel back on. Put the nut, put the nut back on. And get back to mowing. Hope this was helpful for you guys. I will leave a link in the description below as far as the part number goes. And hope this is helpful. You guys have a good day.